Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Beats Solo 4. To make a hard reset you should press and hold volume down button at the left of your earbud and the power button here at the same time for at least 10 seconds. We can see this LED light, that LED light is flashing red, so it means that we make a hard reset. Now, click information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Yes, forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, it automatically enters to pairing mode, so we can connect them. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!